Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch Premier League on YouTube TV. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our browser. Now, once you open your browser, on the search bar, we're going to search for YouTube TV Premier League and then click on enter. Once you do that, we're going to click on the first link right here. And then after that, what we're going to do is to sign in into our account. However, if we don't have an account yet, we're going to click on try it for $0. So once you click on it, what we're going to do is to just choose our account. So let's say, for example, that we choose this account right here. So once you click on the account, you should now be able to log in into YouTube TV. And then as you can see right here, we have a free preview for 20 minutes. And then you could also actually start a free trial. So if you click on start free trial, you'll have to avail their subscription. So you'll just have to choose the one that you prefer. And then you can just click on next. And then you can just click on checkout once again. And then after that, you'll just have to put your payment method. So just click on this and then just put your card number, your card holder name, and then of course your billing zip code. Once you do that, you can now click on start membership. And then once you have successfully availed their subscription, you will now be able to watch Premier League inside YouTube TV. So all you have to do is to click on the search bar and then you'll just have to search for Premier League and then click on enter. So click on this one right here and then you will now be able to see the videos that they have. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.